Hi, Miss Abos. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, hello ma'am. Good day. I am Regine L. Agos, 31 years old, from Coronadal City, South Cotabato. I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have two kids. Two boys, 7 years old and 5 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
7. I have one brother and 5 sisters. I am the 6th child.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am graduate college, 4 years course, Bachelor Science Community Development.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
No ma'am, but I have experience here in Philippines as a house helper. I worked last May to 2021 at to April 2023 to a two members family. I do house cleaning, washing, ironing, clothes, beddings, and car wash, go to market and cooking. Also work in June 2023 up to present. 3 members family. I do house cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, beddings, go to marketing, and cooking. My main task is to babysit the newborn and assess the 1-year-old.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honesty, hardworking, carefully, and loving mother.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, mom.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go to abroad because I want to help my family financial and save future my kids.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk them in the camp voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, mom.